Okay, for this next piece of work, we're going to be looking at graphing inequalities and being able to solve inequalities. So on this particular example, we've got here that y is greater than 2x minus 4. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to find the line y equals 2x minus 4. Now you can do this in various ways. You can do it by knowing the gradient and the intercept. Well, the intercept, as we know, is minus 4, so we can put a cross there. In effect, that means that we've worked out the value when x equals 0. We could then work out the value when y equals 0. So we have 0 equals 2x minus 4, which means that 2x equals 4, which means that x equals 2. So when x is 2, y is 0, x is 2, y is 0. So that means that we've got a line that will pass. Obviously you will need a ruler to this. So that will be y equals 2x minus 4. Now in this particular example, we're looking at y is greater than 2x minus 4. So for all the values where it's larger than that line, which means we're looking at everything up above the line. So in this particular example, everything above the line. Now you can see, like before when we were dealing with number lines, when it was on the number line and it was a greater than or equals to, we shaded in a circle. Likewise on here, you keep the line a solid line if it's greater than or equal to, or a less than or equal to, but you make it a dotted line if it is less than or just greater than, and that will show that the line does not count in this particular diagram. Now often in an exam you may be asked to use a number of inequalities to solve particular areas. So for example, we might actually also want to draw the line x is less than or equal to 2. That line would be here. Every single value on this line is y equals 2. We're looking for less than or equal to, so we'll be looking for everything this side of this line, and it will stay this time a solid line. We might also then say, well, what about all of the values where x is minus 8, where x is greater than minus 8? Well, here's 8 here, so we would do a dotted line there, and we would say everything above there. So what we end up with is this shaded region here, where all of the values within the shaded region are actually the solution of y is greater than 2x minus 2, x is greater than minus 8, and x is less than or equal to 2. So that's the most important thing. So we drew here x is greater than minus 8. This was y equals 2x minus 2, and here we had x equals 2. So you may need to go back and have a look at plotting lines, straight lines in the form of y equals mx plus c, and of course the special cases where you've got things like y equals 2, x equals 2, where you're going to get the vertical and the horizontal lines respectively. So what you should now be able to do is think about going on to and completing the next exercise, which is exercise 5D. So you're looking at completely drawing lines and solving them. If you need any extra help in terms of drawing lines, I suggest that you either refer back to the work that we've done previously in Unit 2, or you have a look and search for some videos that can help you to solve that. Okay, thank you.